I'll tell you how to pronounce the Leer sound correctly in 1 minute. Don't be surprised if it's too short. 1 minute timer, start. Starting from the backside of your front teeth, scan the ceiling of your mouth with your tongue. Like in this image, you can feel a bumpy part on the front side of the roof and a smooth part behind the bumpy part. All you have to do is place your tongue here, the border between the bumpy part and the smooth part, and bounce your tongue lightly. Lu, lu, lu. This is how native Koreans pronounce the Leer sound. Isn't it so much easier than you thought? Oh, the explanation has been done in even shorter than 1 minute. Now that you know the correct Leer pronunciation, so let's practice pronouncing Leer with me.
La, la, la.
Compare this to the L and R sound.
law, law, law,
La, la, la.
raw, raw, raw,
La, la, la.
If you've got used to making the Leer sound properly, let's pick some words that contain Leer.
라면, 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 라디오, 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 리본, 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 노란색, 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 바람, 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 가로수, 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 달리기, 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 멀리, 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 길거리, 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 달, 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 발, 발, 발.
So, what do you think about making the correct Leer sound now? It isn't as hard as you thought, right? Long story short, the point of this video is this. Just remember these two things. First, place your tongue on the border between the bumpy part and the smooth part of the roof of your mouth. Second, bounce your tongue lightly. These are also applied when making the Leer sound in the 받침 position. So please practice pronouncing words and sentences that include Leer as much as you can. Lastly, if you have difficulty pronouncing certain sounds, just let me know with your comment. I'll make videos about them. Actually, this video was also made because one of my subscribers requested it. So don't hesitate to let me know your difficulties and problem with learning Korean. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.